Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this Lost Horizon and it is an air mattress. I just got it out of the bag. Sorry, I thought my thing was going, but it came with a little pump, which is right here. It comes with the pump, comes with a little bag for it, so when you're done with it you can put it up in the bag. So that is nice, and the bag has a handle on it too. And then here is the mattress. I haven't put it on yet because I just checked and we weren't going. So we're gonna go and we're gonna open this up. And it looks like the pump connection is over on that end, so I'm gonna go over there and try this out. Hey everyone. Okay, so let's see. So let's open this up. And there it is. And so I'm not sure which way is blow and which way is suck, but let's see. Try this here. Okay, I think I've got it going the right way now. Is it blowing it up? Maybe not. Let me try it here. Oh yeah, that's the blow. Might not be an open. I think I ran out of battery already. Let me put this little valve in here, and then I'm gonna plug us in and try it that way. It was plugged in. Let's go. I had it plugged into the wrong side. This will make a big difference. Okay, so there we go. So now I've got it inflated, and check it out. It's like a perfect fit for the Tesla Model Y. And so now I can lay on it, and holy mackerel, this is not like any normal air mattress. This has got like padding inside of it too. I guess that's why it was heavy and in a big bag, because it has got some good padding. Man, I could fall asleep right now after just trying to figure out and inflating it the wrong way. So it's good to know. This one here's the blow, this one here's the suck. I guess I'm going to probably put a little label on it that says that, so I know next time, because I'm not so smart. But that's it. And then it's got this little one-way valve, so you can put this in here to deflate and inflate. You know, you can kind of pull it up to deflate and whatnot. So it's a one-way valve, and I kind of took it out of there, but shouldn't need to do that. But how cool is this? Really nice. And I'm going to go take a nap, I guess. Super cool. Thumbs up.